We are Titanz Plumbing and Air Conditioning, a local family-owned company proudly serving Southwest Florida since 2007. From plumbing emergency services to air conditioning maintenance and repair, our highly rated team of customer service professionals, certified plumbing and HVAC technicians are standing by 24 hours a day, ready to deliver 100% satisfaction. Our flat rate, honest pricing also means you'll know the exact cost of a project before any work begins. That means no surprise charges. Fully licensed, insured, and equipped to solve any plumbing problems like water leaks and clogged pipes, Titanz also specializes in repiping, leak detection, slab leak repair, and water heater installations. And when it comes to air conditioning and air quality, we've got your comfort covered by providing service, maintenance, repair, and installation for your home or business needs. At Titanz Plumbing and Air Conditioning, we do solemnly swear to run a fair and honest business. That's a promise to all our customers. One that's helped us achieve more 5-star Google reviews than any other plumbing and AC company in Charlotte and Sarasota counties. Titanz Plumbing and Air Conditioning is the trusted choice for professional, courteous, full-service plumbing and air conditioning solutions in Southwest Florida. Have a plumbing or air conditioning emergency? We're standing by 24/7. Call Team Titanz today at 941-875-9669 to schedule an appointment or request your free estimate. Call 941-875-9669 or visit calltitanz.com for all your service needs.